Hello friend, today's question is two reactions have same pre-exponential factor but activation energy of the first reaction is lower than that of the second reaction by 5 kilocalorie mole inverse. Given gas constant R is equal to 1.987 into 10 raised to minus 3 kilocalorie mole inverse Kelvin inverse. The ratio of the rate constant of first and second reaction at 298 Kelvin is closest to A 4650, B 22025, C 5 and D 150. Solution. To solve, we use Arrhenius equation. K rate constant K is equal to A into e exponential of minus E upon RT, where A is equal to pre-exponential factor, EA is equal to activation energy, R is equal to gas constant, T is equal to temperature in Kelvin. Here, for activation energy of the first reaction is lower than that of the second reaction by 5 kilocalorie mole inverse. So we can write EA1 is equal to EA2 minus 5 kilocalorie mole inverse. So EA2 minus EA1 is equal to 5 kilocalorie mole inverse. So ratio of two rate constant K1 and K2 is equal to A into e raised to minus EA1 upon RT divided by A into exponential of minus EA2 upon RT. So we can here pre-exponential factor A of first and second reaction is the same. So A is cancel out. We can write e raised to EA2 minus EA1 upon RT, but EA2 minus EA1 is equal to 5. So rate constant K1 upon K2 is equal to e raised to 5 upon RT, where R is equal to 1.987 into 10 raised to minus 3 into temperature. Temperature T is equal to 298 Kelvin. So e raised to 5 upon 0.59226. So e raised to 8.44227. So answer is 4641.0689, nearly 4650. So correct answer is A 4650.